Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel Tech It's Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can fix your Instagram account compromised. So basically, if you're facing this problem, then whenever you open her Instagram, it's going to say Instagram compromised. There might be multiple reasons behind this. The first reason could be if you guys have signed into your Instagram account into another account. So let's say you are using an app where you need to, log into it using your Instagram account, or you linked your Instagram account with some fishy app like Instagram Cleaner, or you're linked in with Instagram Instant Unfollower, which helps you unfollow a lot of people if you guys have LinkedIn account with all of these apps, and what you need to do is delete those apps from your phone. Once you delete those apps, basically try to open an app like your Instagram after 1 or 2 hours. And it should work. Sometimes it could be a bug, which is trying to cause this problem. So you can just literally delete your Instagram, and reinstall it again. And it should fix it. And the other case could be that your Instagram has been logged in too many times from many devices. So let's say a lot of friends are using your Instagram, they're logging in from their device, and your Instagram is being logged into from the same time from multiple devices. So let's say you have one Instagram account and 10 people are accessing at the same time, then Instagram might think your account is being hacked, and disable account from being hacked, it's gonna say account compromised. So if you're facing that kind of problem, you need to stop using Instagram for multiple devices, make sure you log out Instagram from every device and log in from only one device, and it should work. Alright, in that case, and sometimes when you post your story, you can link websites or apps on your story, right? So let's see, I've done this activity many times. And let's say you just add a link to a lot of stuff many times. So let's say you post 10 or 20, stories in a day, and all of those stories, you just post links. What Instagram is going to think is it's about activity, and you're trying to scam people, and you're trying to sell the stuff in Instagram. Instagram doesn't care if you're trying to sell stuff in their platform. But if we just post link up and link up and link up and link multiple links, every time you start spamming people, then Instagram might think it's a bot, and they'll compromise your account thinking it's a bot. Alright, so try to do that less, try to just post 1 or 2 links in a single day. Don't try to be be excessive, 1020 links in a single day, then Instagram might think it's a bot activity. And if you guys have posted something on a bio, you can click on a profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen on your bio if you have written something weird, if you have written draft boards, or she'll drop emojis, just those things, and Instagram might compromise your account thinking you're doing something dirty. So for that you can just clear all those dirty things in your bio, right? Doing that should fix your problem. And if doing that also didn't fix the problem, then you can comment down below what happened, and I'll try to help you guys with it. Alright, but until now it should fix your problem. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, Baba. Until then.